Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us Zombie Mode. This exciting custom game transforms the classic social deduction experience. One player begins as the zombie, whose goal is to infect all other crewmates. Crewmates, on the other hand, must work together to complete their tasks or simply survive the round to secure victory. It's a thrilling twist that adds a new layer of strategy and suspense to every match. To set up zombie mode, first host a private lobby in Among Us. You'll need to adjust several key game settings. Set the number of imposters to 1, and crucial for the zombie, reduce the kill cooldown to around 10 seconds. Also, increase player speed to 1, 5 times, and decrease crewmate vision to 0, 5 times to give the zombie an advantage. These changes create the perfect environment for this thrilling game variant. As the zombie, your primary objective is to infect every crewmate by eliminating them. Each crewmate you kill becomes a new zombie, joining your ranks. Utilize the vents to move quickly and ambush unsuspecting players. Focus on isolating crewmates who are alone or in small groups, as they are easier targets. Speed and stealth are your best allies in turning the entire crew into your undead army. If you're a crewmate, your mission is to complete all tasks before the zombie infects everyone. Staying in groups is vital, as a lone crewmate is an easy target for the fast-moving zombie. Communicate with your teammates and try to stick together, especially in dangerous areas. Remember, completing tasks is your path to victory, so be efficient and aware of your surroundings. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.